Hello learners, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to start the questions from 41 chapter supply microeconomics Sandeep Garg. Okay, please take the screenshot. We have done till 40, right? Now, so today we are going to start here 41 from Sandeep Garg, chapter supply. Okay, now let's see what they are giving here. State when the price of a good rises from 20 to 30. Okay, so given we always write first price rises from 20 to 30. That means delta P is equals to P1 minus P. So you will get 30 minus 20. We have completed so far one step. Okay. Now the revenue of the firm producing this good rises. Now revenue they are saying. Okay. So we will write here revenue. Okay. And this is revenue 1. Okay. The new one. Good rises from rupees 100 to rupees 300. Now you need to calculate elasticity of supply. Fine. Elasticity of supply आपको calculate करनी है, and of course you need to calculate the quantity supplied. Okay. And delta Q also. That is Q1 minus Q. So the formula is revenue upon price on each. Okay. So that means here 100 divided by 20, you will get 50 quantity, and here 300 upon 30. Okay. So you will get 10. Sorry, 5. This is 5. Okay. Not. Very sorry. So now you will get the quantity here. 10 minus 5 equals to 5. Now put the formula for elasticity of supply is equals to delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. We need to find out elasticity of supply. Delta Q is 5. Delta P is 10. Price is 20. And quantity is 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5 ones are 10 ones are 10 twos are. So elasticity of supply is 2. And this is your answer. Please take the screenshot. Very simple question. Now question number 42. Question number 42. A firm's revenue rises. Okay, now again the revenue given है आपका. Revenue based questions भी आ सकते हैं. Revenue is equals to from rupees 400. मैं R small में कर देती हूँ. To rupees 500. Okay. When the price of its product rises from rupees 20, कहाँ तक चला गया 25. So very quickly just find out delta P. So you will get this much. Okay. Calculate the price elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply, right? You need to calculate the price elasticity of supply. The first what we will do here, I'll just change the color, quantity and quantity 1, and here you can write the delta Q equals to Q1 minus Q. So we know the formula revenue upon price here to need to calculate the quantity, right? So 20 divided by 400 divided by 20. Okay, so you will get here 20. Okay, and 500 divided by 25. So you will get again 20. Now here what we can say, when price changes or price goes up. but there is no change in quantity. No change in quantity. Then what happens here? It means elasticity of supply is zero. Okay, right? Or perfectly inelastic. ये हमें calculate करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. I just with the help of this you can easily find out. Okay, and the diagram would be like this: Y, O, and X, and supply elasticity of supply will be like this: zero. This is your quantity and this is your price. It means price changes P or P1 or P2, but here the supply remains the same. Okay, so that is the case of perfectly inelastic supply. Okay, take the screenshot. Then 43 question number. In question number 43, the price elasticity supply of a good is 0.8. Now given here, elasticity of supply is 0.8. Then price rises by 50%. Okay, now here price rises by 50%. Plus हो गया, right? Calculate percentage increase in its supply. A percentage आपको calculate करना है increase in its supply. Okay. Now solution here. Now here the percentage given, so elasticity of supply is equals to percentage change in quantity supplied upon percentage change in price. Okay, so elasticity of supply is 0.8 equals to quantity supplied we need to find out, and here the price is 50. So what we will do, cross multiply percentage change in quantity equals to 0.8 into 50. So percentage change in quantity supplied will be what? 40%. This is your answer. Okay. Because they want here in percentage, and percentage it's already given. So we will just write the formula and then you can get the answer. Then 44 question. In question number 44, a firm supplies 10 units of a good. Okay. So given here 10 units, that means quantity equals to 10 units and price is given 5. Elasticity of supply is 1.25. Okay. What quantity will the firm supply? What quantity the firm supply at price rupees 7? Okay, now again I'm going to mention here first delta P आप calculate कर लो. P1 minus P ये तो अपने आप कर लो step. Okay. So you will get 2. Now always remember, when price increases, quantity will also increase. Okay. So delta Q, Q1 minus Q, and we will write the formula. Okay. Please pause the video and do it by yourself. Delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. Elasticity of supply is 1.25 equals to delta Q is nothing. We don't know. Delta P is 2 into price. Initial price is 5 and initial quantity is 10. Now just simplify it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So delta Q I can write like this, cross multiply 1.25 into 2 into 2. So you will get delta Q is equals to how much? 5. Okay. So this is 5, right? So अगर quantity मेरी 10 है तो इसका मतलब है ये 15 होगी, तभी तो ये आपका 5 आ रहा होगा, राइट? समझ में आ गई ना बात? ये डिफरेंस होता है ना डेल्टा क्यू. तो अगर ये 15 होगा तभी तो 15 माइनस 10 इक्वल्स टू 5. सो Q1 equals to 15 units and this is your answer. ठीक है ना, लॉजिक लगाना कि प्राइस बढ़ रहा तो ऑब्वियसली बात है क्वांटिटी सप्लाई भी बढ़ जाएगी, राइट. टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. 45 the price elasticity of supply is 2. Now given में है, always write the given information. 2. Firm supplies 200 units. Okay, at a price of rupees 8. Okay, at what price it will supply 250? At what price it will supply 250? Please pause the video and start doing it. You know the strategy or the thing point here, that is as the quantity increases, it means the price will also increase. Now please calculate it by yourself and then check it out the rest of the answer here. Okay, so solution here, delta Q equals to Q1 minus Q. So you will get 250 minus 200 equals to 50 units. Elasticity of supply, right, is equals to delta Q upon delta P into price upon quantity. Now elasticity of supply, put the value 2 is equals to delta Q 50, delta P we don't know, price is 8 initial and quantity is 200. Simplify that. तो हम ये कर सकते हैं, 0 0 काट दिया, 5 1 5, 5 4 20, 4 1 4, 4 2 8. Okay, then what else we can do here? इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो 2 into delta P equals to 2, then delta P equals to how much here? 2 upon 2 equals to 1. तो चेंज इन प्राइस क्या होगा? 1 से होगा. दैट मीन्स ये 9 होगा, बिकॉज P1 माइनस P इक्वल्स टू डेल्टा P. तो P1 अगर 9 होगा और ये 8 होगा तभी तो आपका 1 ये आएगा. ओके, got this much here? Okay, so new price or P1 equals to rupees 9, and as the price increases, quantity supplied also increases. This is the basic of you can say supply. Okay, that is a direct relationship. Remember this. Okay, fine.